Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my experience with my brand new iPhone 16 Pro. I was super excited to try out this latest iPhone, but things didn't go as planned during the setup process. If you are experiencing issues like overheating or a frozen boot screen, don't worry. I'll walk you through what happened and how I fixed it. Let's dive right in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect our phone basically to our MacBook and do a hard reset. We're gonna press volume button up, button down, and then power button, and it's gonna go to the reboot state. It's shown in the video. And then it's gonna show us some prompt in our MacBook. So just follow the prompt. Just in the video it's gonna show us like we're gonna allow to connect Apple mobile device to recovery mode, and then we're gonna do a software update for that one. So we're just gonna press install. So it's gonna download now. It might take a while. Just make sure like you have a good internet connection and then full battery life in your phone. So after waiting for a while, like it's gonna ask us to update our phone, so we will just update it. And then click on update. It's shown in the video. So we're just gonna wait till the system let it do its process. Yeah, we're just gonna do next and then agree. It's gonna start downloading the thing. You can see at the bottom of the screen that it has started downloading. It might take a while, so wait back and relax. So you can see like it's been updating on the phone. Yeah, you can see like your MacBook. It shows like it's been updating. Let the update be complete, and after it's finally complete, you'll see a pop-up message saying that it's been completed. Just press OK. We're just gonna wait. It's gonna take some time. So it's been updated and it's asking me to like swipe the phone up. Let me put in my passcode. After putting in my passcode, the phone will now start its recovery process. You can see it's attempting data recovery. Might take a while, so I'll be back when it's done. Okay guys, finally the recovery is completed, and you can see it has updated to iOS 18.2 and everything on the phone is running smoothly. It's working just fine. Just don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the content of my channel. Hope it helps you guys with the issue. Thank you for watching.